Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Apple Pencil 2 not showing up in Bluetooth in 2026. So Apple Pencil 2 does not connect like normal Bluetooth devices. It basically connects automatically when you attach it to your iPad. So if it is not showing, the issue is usually with the connection compatibility or can be with settings. So first of all, you need to make sure that your iPad actually supports Apple Pencil 2. So you need to attach the pencil magnetically on the side of your iPad where it charges. Then you just have to simply wait for a few seconds. You should see a pairing pop up on the screen. If nothing appears, you can just simply try our second method. In it, you just have to open the settings of your iPad. Inside the settings, simply look for the option of Bluetooth. So when you are inside Bluetooth, you just have to basically first of all turn it off. If it is already on, then you just have to simply wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. So now you need to attach your Apple Pencil again and check if it is showing up here in this particular section. Now sometimes the system just glitches, so you can restart your iPad completely. Then you can again turn the Bluetooth on, attach the pencil again, and this fixes many of the hidden connection issues. Now you can also clean the charging area. So this is something that is most people miss. So you need to check the side of your iPad and your pencil. You need to simply wipe both with a clean dry cloth, remove any dust or dirt. If the connection area is dirty, the pencil won't connect or won't charge. If your pencil battery is fully drained, it won't appear. So make sure that you attach it to your iPad and leave it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can try pairing it again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.